Why? Yes, people. Welcome to Cook on Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook on Vibe. We're in Portland. We're in the countryside. You get me? We're there with ZIS, but we have a special guest. Yeah, we have a special guest today, people. Okay, he's an artist, yeah, but we never realised, say, he's a chef as well. So without further ado, Pop Star G. Yeah, I'm family from a long time, isn't it?
Yeah, man, bless up, man. You don't know. Cook on Vibe, dog.
You see, I want link. We never realised the artist is saying, I chef up some food. Is it?
You don't know anything, but dog. You have a sound deal with it.
Yeah.
Ackee and red rain, you don't know some white rice on the side. You
see it there. So, alright, so we never know this, but Ackee and red herring, anytime we go around the shop and buy the red herring, I say, yo, Ackee and red herring, buy dinner. And him say, yo, he grew with his granny, so he knows a lot about cooking and them thing there, you know what I'm saying? Granny must, if you go with granny, you must
cook. Yeah, one song, I said, mama cooking at the greatest.
Granny cooking. Yeah, so you don't know, people, check out his Instagram, which is right there, you get me, go and follow him on Instagram, the artist, you get me, and chef, we're gonna see where I'm going with that kitchen, you know? Yeah, man, let me show you the ingredients today, people, why are So what I want to show you something now, people, is that you've never seen this on Cook on Vibe. We've done Ackee a wally of times, but look at this. Fresh Ackee. Look at that.
Fresh from the pot, you know.
You know what I'm saying? So you just pick them out like that. Take out the seed, you know, on the seed, right? You know? I'm not sure if I'm doing it the right way, but Pop's going to show you. See this good twist. So you can just rest them down there. Yeah, so me and Pops are going to take out the Ackee now. It's the first time I'm using fresh Ackee like that. You know what I'm saying? So, gonna show me how to do it. Show me how to clean it and exactly how to do it, because Ackee is a thing where something like, what is it, the poisonous, something poison if you don't pick it the right.
Yeah, you have to clean out, you see these? Yeah, you have to make sure you take these out, you know?
Right, okay. So we have to. Yes, people, yo, it's exciting to use actually fresh Ackee, because we've never actually used fresh Ackee. So what I'm gonna do, people, is I'm just gonna take the seed out, and Pop Star's gonna clean the inside, car. He's professional, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, bad chef at Earth, you know?
Yeah, bad thing with G.
Cook on Vibe, though.
Oi! So basically, right now, he's cleaning out the inside of the Ackee, because you have to clean out this little part inside here as well as the seed, you know. So yeah, man, preparation. Yo, you're getting something. This is exciting for Cook on Vibe. You've never seen fresh Ackee before, actually straight out the pod. So you know what I'm saying? It's exciting for me because yeah, in England we can only get a tin of Ackee, and it's not the same experience when you want to cook some Jamaican food and so you want Ackee, you want the real thing, and you just. So basically, the reason why you can't get this in England is because, you see this, people? This cannot travel. You cannot take this across the border, yeah? They will not let you take Ackee seed across the border. You know what I'm saying? So that is the reason why you can't get it there. You can't get the fresh one there. I don't know if because I'm sure there'd be a way of storing it fresh until they got there, but I think it's the seed that they don't want anybody to have. So in England, you just alone get the, just like the Ackee already cleaned out and everything in the tin. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, I'm taking out the seeds. Pop Star's cleaning the inside of the Ackee, and we are going. Clean! Look at that, people, fresh Ackee. Yeah, man, Pop Star did with it nice, man. Take out all the seed them, and then they could sit in them that's inside there. You see there? So he's just checking now. He's just checking to catch there's any. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you know, I have to make sure you say check it to make sure say all of them thing here, you know, come out of the ackee and thing, you know.
Yeah.
Make sure say, you know, inside of the ackee wash and thing. You get me?
Yeah.
Cause them thing here hurt belly, you get me, kind of poisonous and things.
Okay, so that's the poisonous part there.
Yeah, so you have to actually get out them, you know, them little part here.
See, that's all the things we're gonna dash away. Yeah, man. You
Yeah,
see it for the first time on Cook and Vibe. Yeah, the first time you see it, Jamaican people are watching the channel, so they know. So big up the Jamaicans, them. You know I think of. You see out of one many people though. Yeah.
Ackee them nice and I'm ready for.
Even some Jamaicans watching this, them they are told and them can't see Ackee like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
True.
I country cooking. Yeah, man.
So Jamaicans, me know say them there in the UK a long time, you know see the Ackee like
Hey, man, I tell you, fam.
Yes, and I say big up the Jamaican them and big up Cook and Vibe.
Yeah.
I love the vibe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
big up everyone in America. You don't know we got New York in the building. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We have to big up everybody. You know? Yeah, man. Big up the English people, then, man. We're here in the countryside. Big up America, England, everywhere in our world, man. Yeah. Where's the G?
Man, that's how you cook, man. Everything of you skeptic and well clean.
Yeah. Yeah.
Make sure I say.
One thing that I noticed, and with Jamaican people, we don't play with their food. Like everything is like, you see, like in England, yeah, you would get like a burger. Yeah. You see the burgers that you get here, they're seasoned like proper. They actually taste nice. They don't taste. It's just bland, and you know it's because. You know, Jamaicans season everything. Everything has to be seasoned well. Everything has to be cooked well. They cook their food properly. Yeah, everything has to wash. Yeah, so look at the little things that we got down here as well. This is what the oil looks like. Look at this. Vegetable, Uncle Sam's vegetable oil when it comes in a little pot like that. This is different, isn't it? You know, so I showed you, that's how we buy the rice. We buy it in pounds. You see me? So, and more things to show you, but we can show you the ingredients in a minute there. You see the red herring there? Why?
Soak, you know, cause it's salty, you know, so
yes.
make sure you say,
take out the salt.
Yeah.
So we're just taking out the salt of this, people. You get me? Yeah. Kind of like a saltfish cat, but obviously a red herring, so you have to soak it or boil it or one of them things there if you get the salt out of it.
I don't know. Let's clean up the red herring, you get me?
Okay. So you said just take off the skin.
Yeah.
And we say just like boil it like that.
Yeah, just
once you clean it, just boil it.
Yeah, and then after you know you just mince it up. You get me?
All right. So we have a cook it kind of thing and then mince it up afterwards.
Yeah, fry it up with the ackee afterwards.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Sit there, people. Pop star.
Yeah, no thing go.
Oi. Cook and vibes.
Cook and vibe.
Yeah, no.
Don't know, you can find him on Instagram though.
Yeah.
Popstar YG music. You can check out the music them
right
same way though. Popstar YG, you know badness go.
Cho.
Yeah.
Chop.
Bad chef at Eric, you know.
Yeah. Where's the granny teaching the ways?
Yeah.
You know. Yeah, man, see the red herring in there right now. One of them just clean up that one then.
Yeah.
And then boom, in a pot. Yeah, we have the next pot ready for the. You see me? Yeah, man, everything I go on.
Everything that you see? Yeah, I will clean out them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Over. See? Clean it up one thing.
Okay, yeah. You know what you are though? Yeah, man. Granny teaching good luck.
Yeah.
He knows what he's doing, people. Yeah.
No? Clean and nice, you know. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, just fish, you know, red herring.
Yeah.
Need to just boil them off now, and then that's it.
That is it.
That is it.
Just subscribe, please. Otherwise, your fingernails are going to go rusty.
Red herring in the ackee in there too.
Oh, you put the ackee in there as well?
Yeah.
So you have to boil the ackee first?
Yeah, I have to boil the ackee first.
How long?
About 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes, and
Yeah.
it gets soft. Just use a fork and
Okay, and then we.
yeah, once it gets
right.
soft, then you're ready for fry it up now.
Okay.
Yeah,
Come
boil
remember,
it
see,
first.
we're gonna get the fresh one, so we know so you have to
Yeah.
boil it first.
Boil it first,
Right.
and then, you know, when it's done boil,
Yeah.
then you cut up your seasoning and you will see what go on when you go.
Yeah.
Go forward.
Alright.
Yeah.
Oi, people. Oi. Pop Steiner Kitchen. Yeah. Alright, so the season is now onion, pepper, scallion. You know, so we have time as well. Yeah, we have some time. Right there, sir, as well. You see the green pepper there as well.
Yeah.
Oi, so everything I go on in the kitchen.
Sweet pepper, you know?
Yeah.
Scallion, onion. Should have one tomato as well.
You know, so I had one tomato and I used it for one sitting there last night.
Don't worry, man, it's still good.
Everything good.
It's still good, you see it?
Pop star. You know, the building, yeah, look, little butter there as well. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Check out the dog Instagram, you know? Check out the music, people. We're outside. See the little kitchen there? Yeah. My thing.
Yeah, so in Jamaica, you know, you have to test the rice. Just put a finger and make sure say the 1 inch, you see me? So you know, say, yeah, right amount of water that do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're getting pop stars tricks.
Show him again, pop star.
Yeah.
Go.
Okay, so you alright,
Half inch, and make sure the
alright.
water there, you know, half inch below. You see?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
One, see? Right there first. Right this up. Water.
Yeah.
You see me? Yeah,
Okay,
no,
see
the
that,
water
people?
Perfect, right this
I know it's every Jamaican, and it's funny because when we was gonna cook rice before, me and Z's in the supermarket, he said, you're not buying no butter. I said, we're not buying no butter. It's a rice. It's every Jamaican puts butter in their rice.
Yeah, you know? Yeah.
Yeah. Every Jamaican puts butter in their rice. That's a little technique that I'm gonna take with me because you know where I learned?
Salt.
Yeah. You don't know, I'm over here. You can't see me, people. May I roll me? You see me? Yeah, we have to be careful with. May I go and build up my thing, you know? And in my go and do thing in the kitchen. Yeah. Saltfish and red herring. Authentic Jamaican food, you know? Yeah.
That is it.
That is it.
Wash off him popcorn, eh?
Yeah,
Everything we
is
do wash.
clean, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. Once a Jamaican a cook for your rest of man, you know it go. Food of well clean and well skeptic, you see me?
Yeah.
Yeah, no fubble double, no shakiness, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we do it.
Cook and vibes.
Cook and vibes.
Oi, oi.
Oi oi.
Oi. Yes, people, so you get me, man's putting the oil in now. Yeah. Vegetable them are smelling
What would I
fresh.
say? Oi oi.
You say, oi, oi.
Oi
You
oi.
know the thing go in the kitchen.
No.
Cook and vibe, nothing the normal,
Nothing
pop
the
star, you
normal.
know? Yeah, but
Be a superstar, pop star,
Yeah.
Endatar,
Wally star,
YGP,
man, you see me?
Yeah, be a star, you
Yeah,
know?
star, yeah.
CIS.
And I'm nothing normal. See there? Why? Yes, people.
So we do it, you know?
Yeah, man, we get a whole heap of different styles of cooking. Yeah, Z. We get a whole heap of different styles of cooking, you know. Yeah, we yet to get Z highest. You get me? But you don't know Z is making us skip the other episodes. So big up Z for the Downtown Kingston episode. Stuff that you have never seen before. That was thanks to Z. So you can all go follow him, subscribe to his YouTube to say thank you for the footage that you got. Do you know what I'm saying? Do the right thing. Make sure you follow Popstar on Instagram. Make sure you subscribe to Cook and Vibe if you haven't already. It takes 1 second to press that button.
I remember the pop star is pop star YGs.
And remember, the pop star is YG. It's all a one connection. You know what I'm saying? You don't know. So M dot is YGP. You understand? So YGP is the group or the musical group.
Yeah, YGP one camp.
And Z and Jabari, I then run it. You see me? And then you have myself, you have pop stars. Alright, see it there. So in my deal with the red, what is the red everything done now? So you're just taking it apart.
And, you know.
Okay, so he's deboning and just getting the flesh and thing. Yeah. Why?
So do it, just it.
Help him end that.
Yeah man, so what you do, you just take out the bones them?
Yeah.
And we'll finish the bones then.
Yes. Let's put the bone on one side, you know?
Okay, yeah. So where we put the meat down here?
Yeah, right here.
And the bone, you can zoom some now, you know.
So them bone there shouldn't do, you know. I think you can supposed to just swallow them. Yeah, them not do, you know. But obviously we don't want them.
No, we don't want them.
We don't want them, so you know, I take out the flesh, the red herring. Yeah man. You see the ackee, so it's boiled now. You get me, so it's ready to fry off. Yeah man, Popstar's not ramping, he's not playing any games in the kitchen. You get me, red herring.
He boiled it with the
with the red herring, so that's got that little flavour of the red herring in with the ackee already.
Yeah.
Building up the flavour in there, you know? Yeah. So good vibes, people. We're in the kitchen, and you know what's nice about being in Jamaica? You know, we get to see, well, you lot, what's lucky for you at Cook and Vibe.
the season smell good already.
Yeah. You know what it is that Cook and Vibe do? They get to see other people's cooking and them thing there, and, you know? Yeah, man, the pot.
Fix the pot.
Yeah. See it there? Yes, people. Seasonings, red herring. Oi. So where is it, people? Z saying, when he's young.
Yeah, so them bone here.
Yeah.
And youth and thing, you know, mother of it. And she, you know, leave the red herring or saltfish. You have to give with them bone after we eat them and Z.
Just eat the bone straight.
Can I eat it out here?
Okay, because the bones are they're not strong, and they're just yeah. So have a little flavour. No, I feel like man for try it, man.
Yeah, it have a red herring taste and so it's nice. See him.
So I'm just. So what you say, Popstar? Just consume the bone. I have to try it. Yeah, man. So you don't know we're in Jamaica? I've got to try it. Oh. Any bone or fatty part of anything is the best part. Have a wicked flavour. I'm not lying. Got bones there. Wicked flavour though. I can understand why when you was little yeah man, it's like having the chicken bun, chicken back and all the good parts of it. Flavoursome. Yeah man.
No, yeah?
Yeah? Alright then, you hear that people?
Yeah, ready now. It's starting.
Yeah man. Ackee's going inside with all the rest of the vegetables and all them things there now people, you know what I'm saying? The red herring's already in there, deboned. We've consumed the bones. We'll get, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. We're doing it real Jamaican style, learning these little things, you know? Yeah. See it there, people. Oi, oi! No. Yeah, it smells good. Smells bad for you. Yeah, it smells bad for you. So it's the first time we're trying this, people. Red herring and ackee. As far ackee and saltfish is as far as I know. You know what I'm saying? So this is where You know, the real Jamaican cooks. Yeah, G saying the cook the macan Ackee, yeah, he showed me a picture the other day and I'm not lying. It looks good. So you have to catch that style there, said way.
Yeah, man, so eat this around,
Popstar, YG, follow him up.
You know the thing go. Instagram, Popstar YG Music, though.
Yeah.
You know, YouTube, Popstar YG, check out the bud song them, though.
Yeah.
Cook and vibe. What you say, M.
Woyoy.
Woyoy.
You know it, nigga. That is it, Cook and Vibe. Woyoy, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Check out Popstar, check out his music, follow him on Instagram. Make sure you go over to Highest YGP one. Follow them on YouTube, make sure you go over to their Instagram, subscribe, like, comment and share. We're ready up! Let's see what I'm going to
Let's
Popstar.
say go.
Woyoy! Hey! See it there? Shelly!
Shelly rice.
Woyoy!
You count the grain them, though.
Yeah.
M that show them how to go and lift up there.
Lift up that. Lift up that. Woyoy. Look on that, it looked like just like it looks like a
Woyoy.
look like a real Jamaican meal. Look at the colours in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woyoy, man.
And this is the first time I'm trying this, people, so this is exciting, man. You get me? Fresh Ackee. Never cooked with fresh Ackee before. You know what I'm saying? Red herring. I've never had the red herring with the Ackee. You know what I'm saying? Everything we do in England is just trying to make it like Jamaica. All we do is just go and go to Brixton and try and get some vegetables so we can cook like Jamaicans, but we're in Jamaica, so everything we got is down to the pepper and the onion and the scallion and everything is Jamaican. Yeah, real yard food, so you don't know, everything is just fresh and nice and nothing's been there for too long. Nothing too long, pick off of the tree or old tie ground or whatever. Do you know what I'm saying? So, Popstar, you've done well, family. A good vibes.
Cook and vibe.
Good vibes in our
Look,
kitchen.
you know?
You get me? So, yeah, man. So it's all about the taste time, really. That's the most important thing. So, yeah, man. We're gonna plate up, and yeah, I'll give you the
views.
yeah. Oi, oi. The rice book. Alright. Moment of truth. I want to get the onion there. I want to get the red herring, Ackee and everything.
Yeah.
And I want that even a little bones in there. I think the smokiness of the red herring is bad with the Ackee. Yo! I think I prefer this to saltfish.
Line
Yeah.
up, people.
Yo! The fresh Ackee, man. It's like there's a taste, right? In England, when you get it in the tin, there's a certain, anything that's in the tin, it takes away, the preservatives will give it that different flavour. The Ackee fresh, it's just, it's something different. And you see the smokiness of the red herring. Just complements. It's like a smoky Ackee. Mad, and then you got the little vegetables, them, you know, the scallion and the onion and the pepper to give it that little kick. And it's not even spicy, but it's just got a nice little background heat. It's like it's just there. Like it's in my tan up in Icana. Yeah. Yeah, but it's there. Brother. Yeah, tell her.
Yeah, man, everything go. Real Jamaican style, though.
Real Jamaican style. That one there surprised me a lot. 100%. From now on, I think I'm going to be using red herring with my Ackee. Just gives it a more of a smoky flavour. You get me? It's like with saltfish now, it's beautiful, but it's all about that smokiness. And I keep saying it's that smokiness in the red herring that's just blended with that fresh ackee. 10-10. Why are it? That is it. And I tell you the truth, people are good vibes. Yeah, man. Respect the general. Big him up. You get me? Make sure you go follow his things then. Make sure you go follow the Instagram, everything. Make sure you follow Z Highest, everything. And maybe you might get some more pop star recipes. Cause I think we might have to get another recipe of them. Cause I think Granny's gave him some secrets now. Yeah. So you don't know right now. We are learning Granny style of cooking.
Yeah.
Really and truly, and I sure.
You know why we don't do red herring, but you don't know every now and then you have to,
Yeah.
get a special granny cooking there,
Certain little things, like you said, you don't put no time in it. Like, so everyone has their little different styles. You get me? So we didn't put no time in this because he said that gives it a different flavour. See what I'm saying? You want to keep the flavours that was there already. So, people, a mad thing. We got Popstar, we got YGP, highest every time. You get me? It's cook and vibe.